Just opening up a box of a set of carburetors that was sent in to us to be rebuilt. These are supposed to be a set of Weber 40 IDTP carburetors. Nicely packaged. Oh yeah, nice and crusty. Oh, that's beautiful. Somebody's jammed some bolts in there, so we'll have to see what's going on there. Throttle kind of sort of moves. These are sporting the factory Porsche emblem right here. So these are an original set of IDTPs. Fuel pipes are on backwards, but these do not look like they have seen much runtime anytime in the last few years. Looks like we got the wasp nest building down in here. So the next step is get these all apart, see what we can save, see what we need to replace, and go from there. Okay, made in Italy. These are our 3C1s, 3747. Oh, throttle comes with cruise control on this model. Just sticks wherever I put it, can barely open it. Fuel pipes facing the wrong direction again. Just generally a core set of carburetors. Oh. Yeah, see, this one might be a problem because this one's had a bolt, wrong size bolt. So I'm going to pull that out right now. Well, this bolt was holding the whole car together too.
So long.
Okay, let me just measure these, see what diameter they are. So at least they've used a 7x1 bolt. So I should just be able to put new bolt plugs in this and toss our wonderful steel bolt. Would have been taking up some space in the fuel bowl with those ones. Amazed that they didn't interfere with the floats. So this set of carburetors, the owner has expressed that he wants them to go the green Cerakote route. So the next step is we'll pull them all apart, see what they look like, see what jets we need. See, a lot of the hardware here is probably just going to go straight into the trash. But save what we can and replace what we need to. So first look inside. It's got the old style brass floats with no safety tang. So these ones can actually jam and get stuck in the bottom. Definitely been in here. I mean, the usual screw marks on anything. 180 air correctors. It's like 30 millimeter choke. So this one has been choked differently. Still has the long squirters for a 27 millimeter choke though. So definitely, depending on, we're waiting on the jet package that the owner would like to use. Because it's going to go onto a different vehicle with a different setup. So we're just going to keep taking stuff apart. Looks like it certainly had some pretty old and nasty fuel in there. Fuel bowls don't look horrible. I mean, usual debris that I would expect to see on an old set of carburetors, but no corrosion to speak of. One emulsion tube that's stuck in there. We'll have to pluck that out in a minute. So we got the old style mixture screw. We'll reuse the new style, which is more of a tapered design. And then we'll just have to see if the springs clean up or whether they unsalvageable. I have to go through the blaster. Looks like these have a 125 main jet in them. Carriers don't look too bad. I have to clean them up and see what they look like. Looks like these have 50 idle jets in them. No O-rings installed on the body, which is not a big deal, but we'll add them back in. These are F1s. Not worn that radically, but it's bent and twisted. Let's replace it. So. Too much.
My finger
Okay.
get up. I can't get hold the plate. Yeah, thanks. Like hold the plate.
Not the worst. A little bit of wear right there. Still wouldn't reuse them. A lot more wear on this one. heavy scoring on that throttle shaft.